Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today I am going to show you how you can use Spark AR to make your own IG filter. So the IG filter that I will be teaching today is on how you can change your background. Next is on how you can create a sunglasses like this. And then the third one is on how you can make an emitter. As you can see, you can make a smile emoji emitter by using Spark AR. So let's go to the first one. First, we need to create a new blank project by clicking this. After that, you can see some of the features on this Spark AR. So this is where you can see the outcome of your editing, and this is the asset part and this is the scene part. So to make a change on your background, you need to first extract two texture from the camera. So you can find camera on the scene part this and just click it. So there are two things that you need to extract. The first one is the texture extraction one. So you need to name it to camera's texture. After that, you need to extract the segmentation of this camera. So click plus and then click person. So the segmentation mask has been created, so you can change its name to segmentation. Okay, after that we need to create one material. How to create it is by clicking on this asset part. So you need to do the right clicking and then add asset, then add material. So you can name this material as person, and then you need to you need to click this material and go to the section part of this material. So there is a texture part under diffuse section, and when you click on this toggle, it will shows some options. So you need to choose camera texture. Okay, done for this part. And after that, you need to scroll down and find the alpha, and you need to click on this button. So for this texture, you put it as the segmentation. So the first one for camera's texture, and the second one is for the segmentation. So now, after that, we need to create a rectangle object. So you need to go to the scene part and click on this plus button, and you just need to find rectangle. So this is the first rectangle, as you can see. So we need to create two rectangles. So you just right clicking this rectangle and duplicate it. So you can name the first one as background, and the second one as person. So you will having two rectangle on this part. So you need to make sure that the background rectangle is on the upper person rectangle. Okay, so after that you need to click on this background rectangle and find the width and the height of this rectangle. So by clicking this, you just need to fill width and fill height for this background, as well as for the person. You need to fill width and fill height for both of this rectangle. Once you have done that, go to the person, which is this one, and you can find the material part of this rectangle, which is this one. Click plus and you can add the material percent. So as you can see, we have already changed the background, and as you can see, you can put any images that you want. And after that, you need to create one more material. So by right clicking at this region, and then you click material to create one more material. So you can name it as background, which later we'll be using it to replace this background. After you have renamed it, you go to the texture of this background. So as you can see, you can upload any images that you want to be used in this background. And as for my part, I already have downloaded the picture, and you can also find the picture on the link below in the description. So this is the images that I choose. So after you have added the images, go to the person back and then click back. You go to the background, then you can find the material part, then you click background. As you can see, we already have done the part to change the background of our filter. So next, I'll be covering on how we can add sunglasses onto our IG filter. So next, I'll be covering on how you can add sunglasses on your IG filter. So the first thing we need to do is to go to the asset library. So after you have opened AR library, you need to go to 3D objects and find glasses. So there are a lot of glasses that you can choose from. And the one that I use is this one. So the next thing you need to do is to just click import free and wait for the glasses to be downloaded. After you have done, you can find your glass on the asset part. So right after you have downloaded the glasses, you can drag it to the scene above the canvas. So as you can see, you can already see the glasses on the screen, but it is too big. So the thing that you need to do is to adjust the scale of these glasses. So this one you can play around with it, adjust the size of these glasses. It is still big, so you can keep on adjusting until the size is suitable for you. As you can see, I've already changed the size of these glasses. After that, you need to go to the blocks, and as you can see, the glasses is not moving according to what you want. So next you need to the thing you need to do next is to make the glasses track your face. So you need to add one more one. As you can see, I already have scaled the sunglasses so that it will match the size of the person that we were using this filter. And after that, you need to make sure that these glasses can detect your face. By clicking this plus button, you just need to add face tracker. And drag the glasses onto your face tracker. As you can see, uh, the glasses is moving according to your head, but it is not centered enough. So what you can do is to adjust the position of this glass by pause the video first. That you can adjust it using the viewport of this glasses. A bit and play around with the glasses. As you can see, it is not the glass is not moving sensitively with your head. So the next thing we need to do is to add a head ocular. So next you find a library and find for the occluder block. So this is head occluder 3. So we already have head occluder in this asset. Next, you can just drag this head occluder into the scene, and you need to make sure that the head occluder is above the face tracker. Okay, now you can adjust the position of this sunglasses. Right, tada! You can already see the glasses moving accordingly to the head of this. The last part, we can do the smile emoji emitter. So the first thing you need to do is to add one new material, and you can name it as smile emoji. After you have done that, you can scale this emitter in the scene, what you need to do is just to add emitter. Next, you can just add particle system in the scene region, and as you can see, you can find the material, this emitter, and click smart image. As you can see, the emitter is moving upward. So the thing you just need to do is to drag down the particle to here. After that, we can add new image for this smile emoji. So this is the smile emoji that I use. You can find the same image on the description below. So next is to adjust the setting on this emitter. So for the scale, you can change it to 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. You can see the scale of this emoji and emitter is being changed, and for the type of this emitter, change it to line. Then make sure the length is set to 1, that it will be more scattered. So the emitter will be more scattered than previous one. After that, for the birth rate, just need to put 10, and for the speed of this emitter, you can change it to 0.5 and 50%. Once you have changed the speed, you can also change the scale, particle scale of this element. Change it to 0.03. As you can see, it has a larger we can have a larger emitter. And for the percent, you can change it to 20%. For the lifespan, you can change it to 1.5. So the lifespan means that after 1.5 seconds, the emitter will disappear. So this is the function of lifespan, and you choose 20% for the lifespan. So that's one of easiest thing that you can do with Spark AR, and I hope that by doing this tutorial, a lot of you guys can try and having fun doing your own IG filter using Spark AR. I think that's all from me. Thank you.